Hi guys, it's me, Camden here, and this is Harper, and we're gonna unbox our stuff that we made and Redbubble. You guys can check it out. We'll give you guys the link in the description and everything. All right, and let's just open it.
What are you gonna do? You're gonna do the big one first or the small one?
Big one.
Okay, big one. Go.
Oh, this is a backpack that I made. Whoa. Is that sick? It has my name on it, and you guys in the comments, you guys can like just ask for your name on there and we'll put it on there.
You can custom make it?
Yes. Because mine's Camden.
Oh, it even has a thing on the inside. That's cool.
Wait,
Hello,
does?
I belong
Does?
to. This is the backpack.
Yes.
Oh, it isn't made out of that.
No, it's a canvas, like printed.
Wow.
Black back. Got a cup, a water bottle holder
Yes. This is sick.
here. Try it on.
Alright.
Try on a new backpack. You start school in a week.
Yes.
Need a new backpack. Ooh, it's fancy.
It's comfortable. It's like nice. They got the texture right there. It's not like touching my neck.
Yeah, it's got
and
padding.
everything. It's not like this. It's not like that. It's like that. Like I like that.
Good job. Okay, what do we got next?
Oh yeah, I like that.
What do we got? I think yours is the blue one and Camden's is the black one.
Oh,
This
yeah.
one is Sawyer's. Okay, show them. So
And
they
then-
designed these in Canva.
This is your size shirt.
Oh
yeah.
yo,
Hey,
that looks sick.
Look at my handstand. It says.
I should have got you an extra
This is
small.
sick. And I made this one
Those
too.
adult sizes.
So it's adult sizes. Yes, we need to look into children's
Which one is
sizes.
mine?
This one is yours.
Oh, Sawyer's
Show us what you got, Sawyer.
Cookies, please.
Who loves cookies?
So I made mine.
I love
Look,
it.
well, I forgot that when it looks in the camera, it's opposite.
It's backwards,
Yes. So what it says is Camden Master.
Yours is look at my handstand. I should have got you extra small.
Oh.
My shirt
I'm gonna go
needs
wear
to be like this.
So yes, so part of our homeschool curriculum is doing a business, and Harper chose to do a designing shirt business, but obviously I didn't want to buy a shirt press and have all of the inventory. So I was doing some research on YouTube, and there are so many print on demand businesses out there. There is we started with Teespring and we ordered 3 white shirts, but you could just see right through them. And now we ordered on Redbubble, and the only thing that I just noticed on here that I'm not really happy about is it didn't print very well on this look at my handstand, but it looks like the printing on the backpack and the shirt is really well, right?
I guess I gotta make it a little bit more adjustments, just make it a little bit more big.
You want it bigger?
Yes.
Yeah, but it looks good.
Yes, it looks good.
You did great. Your designs are great. Look at your design. You're ready for school.
All I need is black shoe. I just need black and white shoes.
Yes.
And it'll fit.
So, there you have it. If you want our link, we have more than just like Camden Master Gymnastics. We have other things. I think we put on there like Chaos Coordinator and Running on Caffeine and Chaos and cuss words or something. There's like a Be Kind, some soccer ones. We wanted to kind of do more than just gymnastics. That's what it had started with Miss Harper. And it's been fun. They have been learning about social media and advertising and budgeting, like if we spend money versus how much money we make. And it's been a fun business class, right, buddy?
Yeah.
Yeah. So that's part of our homeschool curriculum.
Wait,
so
we
appreciate
we
it's
got
just
a link
sticker.
in.
It's a big old sticker. Okay, what do we say? I'll let you close out the video.
Subscribe, leave a like down below. Bye, guys.
Thanks, guys. See you later.
Bye.
God bless.